First steps of my son's truck when he turns 15. Sanding it down, getting ready for primer. What's your YouTube channel name, son?
It's Mega Meme, and it has a picture of a dog on the logo.
Mega Meme, picture dog on the logo. Pearl, what are you doing over there today?
Sanding my brother's truck.
And what's your YouTube channel? Probably Pearl's Crazy Stuff. Pearl's Crazy Stuff.
World's Crazy Stuff.
Sorry, we don't know our own YouTube channel name. So, subscribe to my son's Mega Memes with the dog on the picture, and we'll see what happens. Hey, what year is this truck?
Huh?
What year is the truck? Tell me a little something about it.
I don't know.
It's a 1979
Yeah.
GMC K2500 Sierra Grande with 4-wheel drive. Oh yeah. No, it's not for sale.
It's not for sale, it's mine.
It's his.